Going from being a good project manager to become the program manager who can handle those large, complex commercial projects in an organization. There are 3 areas you need to focus on for collecting experience and develop your skill sets. And here they are. Number 1, you need to manage your project. The first skill is complex problem solving. These large projects often is very complex, sometimes chaotic. You need to be able to lead a team through this complexity and chaos in order to find clarity and seek solution. The second skill is financial management skill. Running such a project is just like running a small business under the umbrella of the organization. You need to be on top of your project finances at all times. You need to know where you're at and where the project is going to end up so you can forecast properly and be able to make decisions accordingly. Being on top of your project finance also enables you for the skill set number 3, risk management. Large complex projects often have lots of hidden risks. You need to understand what are some risks and how are they impacting your project. You need to be able to predict risks and be able to manage and mitigate risks. Understanding your risks will help you make better decisions for the project because sometimes we need to take those calculated risks. Number 2, you need to manage your project team. Under such a large complex project, often you have a medium to large size team. A lot of times it's remote and global teams. So as a project manager, you're probably dealing with a remote team at different time zones, different locations, people that you don't see from day-to-day operation. So the ultimate goal is to get everyone on the same page, get a project to move along so everyone are accountable to their part. So the most important skill for managing your team is leading with accountability. How do you lead with accountability? How do you implement accountability? And how do you drive accountability for all the team members? If everyone in your project team is accountable to their part of the outcome, naturally the project will move along seamlessly and you have a high performance team. Of course, achieving accountability is a journey, and that starts with clear communication of your expectations. Number 3, you need to manage your customer. A project is not successful if the customer ends up unhappy. Project manager is the one interface with the customer on a regular basis throughout the project. So throughout the project lifecycle, you need to manage your customer's requirements, the customer's expectation, and the customer's communication. So the customer can have a positive experience throughout the project to achieve customer satisfaction and eventually become an advocate for you, your project team, and your company. If this is a career path for you and you want to know how do I possess these skill sets, go ahead and contact me for more advice. If this is not right for you, stay tuned. The next one might be for you.